actually try to like get some tips from him. Any tips? Okay, so we're like gonna get some tips. So this guy's literally good at the knife, and I need to relearn everything since I'm so bad at it. What do you mean by this? Like this. Oh, so we're gonna learn that. Maybe it's not easy, but I think I know this. Easy. Easy. Bro. Anything else? Okay, what is bro saying? What? Okay, so. Okay, I think it's too complicated for me, but I need to learn this. Okay, let's do it again, bro. Okay. I'm really confused right now. He did this. Oh, I'm kind of missing. But I swear, but not really fast. But not really fast. Let's actually try it again. Yeah. Anything else? What's bro trying to do? What? Okay, let's lock in. This? Wait, actually, I think bro was like that. That. Unless not showing my hand camera. Like this, bro. What? But I wasn't moving that. Bro, kind of hard, bro. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna wait a little. Stand here. So we're gonna stand in here. Backstep, bro. Oh, nah. Bro, you still miss. Bro, what? Come on, bro. Okay, let's actually be like focused. What? Bro's trying to fall. I think bro was telling like, okay, let's try to do it, bro. I'll try. Let's try it. Okay, so we're like this. Let's just watch, bro. Wait. I think bro does get the war horn. Like that? Yes, we're kind of getting it. Bro's just giving me some stuff. Okay, so that's the same thing. Yeah, that's the same thing, guys. Okay. Okay, bro. Bro, wait. Okay, here. Bro. Oh yeah, right. That. Yeah, we're gonna stand here, or maybe in here, I guess. How is it gonna be help standing here? Look. Wait. I need to practice that. Okay, I pretty much understood it. He just did this. And he did this. Let's try again. guess it could work without a war horn. We could do. Let's do that again. Bro, let's lock in. Wait, I was able to do that, but I think we need the war horn for that. Let's go. No, yes. Come on. Oh, now how did I did it first try, but I can't do it second. But yeah. Okay, let's do it. Come on, lock. Wait. Yeah, it took multiple times. Yeah, but this is gonna be a really long video, to be honest with you. Let's try the 1v1, bro. Copy this. So, I think I'm just gonna hit him. Okay, I'm going there, okay? Copy this. So, we're gonna equip the bow. Okay, so bro's gonna go. What? Is that even possible, bro? I'm not even sure, but let's just try. Oh, nah, bro. Yo! Yo! It was for training, guys. Okay, he said nice, so that's fine. Okay. Okay, knife master, bro. Okay, so we're just... This guy's better than me. Yes. Okay, so... wanna play... Training arc. Training arc, bro. So, the burst rifle master will be like... Next, so... Yeah, this training arc. I think bro was clueless. Okay, so we're gonna do this one final round. 1v1. 1v1 sudden death. Okay, let's apply everything that bro has taught me. Come on, lock in. Bro, I failed. Let's try to apply. Come on, try to apply. Bro, what? Bro was using jump pad. Okay, lock in. Bro, okay, man. I think pretty much improve again. Like, I'm going back to my prime, bro. I guess not, but yeah. Actually starting. Okay, so how do I get better at this technique? How do I get better? So if you throw a freezer, of course. Why do I get freeze? Why I get freeze? Okay, so I'm just gonna go to his back and go back to so there's more damage, bro. Okay, man. This is like I ran out. Okay. What? That's so good. Okay. Actually, let's use the permafrost for. I mean, let's use this. You can also predict, so I think this one's gonna be the one with more match rounds, but still, let's listen to our 40 freeze rate teacher, bro. Okay, so how do I prevent myself? I mean, freezing myself. Let's actually ask him how to be like prevent this. Just like, yeah. Don't be close. Okay, so wait, let's actually follow him. to the freeze. No! I miss. Okay, I miss, bro. No, bro! Come on, bro! Come on! Bro, miss! Okay, and counts. Let's lock in, bro. To prevent freezing yourself, you wanna shoot at a certain. Okay, okay. Okay, bro. Okay, rivals guys also like teaching, bro. But yeah. Okay, so. Okay. No, that was so close. I almost got my first shorty freeze ray kill, so. I think this one's will be really quick, so I almost got it. Oh, come on. This is the last resort loadout. The last resort. Okay, bro. Yeah, bro's actually like. Okay, and yeah, they gotta fix this, man. Okay, okay, let me try. I'm not trying to tell. Okay, okay, okay. I shoot him in the head, bro. Like, it just doesn't work. You just have to shoot like twice. Okay. Okay, let's actually try like shooting because my aim is not really good today. This is the shorty freeze ray, bro, technique. I didn't even putting it in here. Okay, let me just try it, bro. And okay, bro. Oh no. How kill? Where did they nerf it? Because I remember like doing 200 damage. With the shorty. Okay, let's freeze, bro. And bro, we're gonna shoot him in the head. And what does he mean by quick utility? Oh, the quick utility. Bro, I need to add them. I need to know what to improve. Okay, so what am I missing about sniper though? Okay, man, he was correct, bro. I think. Okay, so he said I need more movement. I mean, to be honest, like, yeah, bro's kind of correct. Let me. Yeah, like this. So that's pretty much okay. So you have to actually like quick melee then jump also. Come on. So when you scope, you wanna like shoot right. Oh, quick scope.
You wanna dance?
So you mean quick scope? I think bro meant quick scope. To be honest. Okay, so let's actually try to quick scope. It's hard, bro. I mean, quick scope is really hard. Not many people know about it. So. Hard scope is okay. So can like 1 second of scoping. Okay. Like at least so like I can aim for a little bit. Like that. Is it okay? Maybe if you quick scope file. Yeah, it's probably no scope. He's correct, bro. It's gonna be quick scope. I mean no scope, bro. 0 degrees no scope, bro. What? Okay. Now aim. Movement. Oh, Alpha is gonna teach me some settings. Okay, so tell me the settings. So he's gonna tell me the settings now, so we could like change it. Scroll and switch it to 30%. What? Is it so? Why is it so small? Why so small? Oh, so I can see more. Okay. What else? So I'm trying to understand, bro. I think that's pretty much a solid settings. At least I think I got better quickly with the better settings. I don't know, man. I'm just setting stuff. Okay, so that's something. Okay. What? I think we need to like. What does bro mean? Tracking for your aim. Come on. So scope and try to make the middle stem melt. Okay. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Okay, I see. Okay. Come on, bro. No. Oh no. That's really hard, bro. We're trying to learn sniping, but it's too hard for me. Like, just look at this, bro. And oh no, I'm doing so horrible. Bro, I'm so bad. Come on, bro. Like, what? Bro, what the? Bro? Come on, bro. Why, bro? Why am I so bad? Okay. Yo! Oh, what's that? A no scope, man. Let's just lock in. Let's lock in. Almost all melee have like double jump, to be honest. I mean, I'm talking off topic right now, but yeah, we need to train this bro. Snipe. Okay, bro's gonna teach me some stuff, and let's just try to. Okay, try to hit me. Okay, let's lock in. I was just trying to like, and bro's gonna shoot me, so we need to lock in. Come on, clang, light gang, bro. I almost shot that, bro. Okay, you want a shorty 1v1? Okay, man, let's. Okay, bro, we're all like, come on, bro.